Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile hundreds of transactions in Xero. If you're managing a business with high transaction volumes, manually reconciling each entry can be incredibly time-consuming. Fortunately, Xero offers a bulk reconciliation feature that can save you hours of work. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to access your accounting dashboard. Look at the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this submenu, select Bank Accounts. This is where all your connected bank feeds and accounts are managed. Now you'll see a list of all your bank accounts. To start reconciling, you need to open the specific bank account you want to work with. Simply click on the account name, either from the bank accounts section or directly from your dashboard, if it's displayed there. This will take you into that account's detailed view. Once you're on the bank account overview page, you'll see all your transactions displayed. These will be categorized by their status, showing both reconciled and unreconciled transactions. If you're looking at a long list of unreconciled items and want to handle them efficiently in bulk, you're in the right place. This is exactly what we're going to cover. At the top part of the screen, locate and click on the Reconcile menu. This is where the real work happens. Clicking this will bring up the reconciliation interface where you can see all the transactions that need your attention. From here, you'll see various transactions waiting to be reconciled. If you have hundreds of entries, going through them one by one would take forever. But the good news is, Xero has built-in functionality to reconcile multiple transactions at once, which is a massive time saver. Now click on Cache Coding. This view will display all your transaction details in a more structured format. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice each transaction has a checkbox in the row column. This is your key to bulk reconciliation. Click on the checkbox at the top of the column to select all transactions at once. You'll see every transaction in the list become highlighted or checked. Finally, look at the bottom part of the screen. You should see a button labeled Save and Reconcile selected. Since you've selected all the transactions in the list, clicking this button will process and reconcile every single one of them in one go. Xero will match these transactions to their corresponding entries and mark them as reconciled. Give it a moment to process, especially if you're handling a large volume. And that's it. You've just reconciled hundreds of transactions in a fraction of the time it would have taken manually. This bulk reconciliation feature is incredibly powerful for businesses that process high volumes of transactions daily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.